Good morning, boys and girls. Obviously, I'm not here today as your teacher. I am in the building for a training, but you'll have a sub all day. So make sure you're doing your very best and you're trying very hard to follow the directions. I want to hear good things. I want to hear that you are learning, which you always are. You always are all doing so good. So I'm proud of you guys. Keep it up, okay? Okay, so we're going to get started with Heggerty. Please feel free to pause the video at any time, but I'm going to go ahead and get started. Make sure you are on the rug facing the screen. We're going to start with rhyming words. Let's go over our learning intention. I can participate and try my best when we practice Heggerty. Very good. All right, so first thing we're going to practice is rhyming words. Thumbs to chest, thumbs up if two words rhyme, thumbs down if two words do not rhyme. You should be looking at the screen, not at anybody else. Think for your, okay, don't copy, try your best. Thumbs up if toy, joy rhyme. Toy, joy. They both end in what? Boy. Good. Next one. Boy, ball. Thumbs up if they rhyme, thumbs down if they don't. Boy, ball. All right, our next one is join, coin. Ms. Bertram, you can pause the video and say that one over for me. I have a hard time seeing join and coin. All right, next one, point, joint. Thumbs up if they rhyme, thumbs down if they don't. All right, next one, joy, jar. Thumbs up if they rhyme, thumbs down if they don't. Okay, good. Now let's practice our onset fluency. I'm going to say the word, you say it back. I'm going to ask you the onset, the beginning sound. You tell me the onset. Accurate. What's the onset? Ah. Numeral. What's the onset? Author. What's the onset? Ah. Remember? Ah. We learned about that one. Next one. Understood. What's the onset? Next one. Lonesome. What's the onset? Ooh. Good. Now let's practice blending sounds to make a word. Get out your choppers. First word. Oh, we're going to actually say the beginning sound. Nope, just kidding. Just doing regular choppers. Ignore me. First word. T. Oi. Next one. V. Oi. D. Good. J. Oi. N. S. Ow. Next one. N. Oi. Z. Next one. U. Ow. D. Next one. B. R. Oi. Oo. Next one. Ow. F. Last one. F. Ow. D. Good job, friends. Now let's practice isolating the medial sound. Everybody, what does medial sound mean? The middle sound. If you need to use your tappers to help you figure out the middle sound, that's okay. You can do it. I'm going to say the word, you say it back. I'm going to ask you the middle sound, the medial sound. You tell me the medial sound. Loud. What's the medial sound? Ow. Dawn. What's the medial sound? Aw. Join. What's the medial sound? Oi. Dart. What's the medial sound? R. Hurt. What's the medial sound? Voice. What's the medial sound? Oi. Born. What's the medial sound? Or. Good job, friends. Go ahead and, give yourself a kiss in your brain. Alright, now let's practice segmenting words. Get out your choppers. We're going to say the word and break it into its sounds. Ready? The first word is royal. Segment. Good. Next one, foil. Segment. Good. Next one, point. Good. Next one, count. Segment. Make sure you're moving your mouth and saying all the sounds differently. My mouth looks different for every sound. Make sure you're doing it too. Next word, say ground. Segment. All right. Next one, soy. Segment. Good. Next one, poison. Segment. Good. Next one, cowboy. Segment. Good. Next one, house. Segment. Last one, say sound. Segment. Good job. Now let's practice adding sounds to make a new word. Your left hand's the ending sound, right is the beginning. Clap to make a new word. Say P, add ch. Say low, add n. Say mass, add k. Say boy, add u. Say we, add t. Good job. Now let's practice deleting sounds. Get two hands out in front of you. Guys, we're taking away the ending sound. I know last week we had some issues. We're struggling with it. We're going to keep the beginning sound and just take away the end and say what's left. If my word is thump, if I take away p, what's left is thumb. Okay, you ready? All right, our first word is rice. Without s, what's left is rye. Next word, say void. Without d, what's left is boy. Say meat. Without t, what's left is me. Say coin. Without n, what's left is koi. Say hold. Without d, what's left is whole. Say same. Without what's left is say. Say whose. Without z, what's left is who. Say how. Without l, what's left is how. Say born. Without n, what's left is bore. Say bunch. Without ch, what's left is bun. Go ahead and give yourselves a round of applause, guys. All right, last page. Go ahead and get two closed fists out in front of you, just like how I have. We're going to practice substituting the final sound. That means we're going to change the last sound in each word to make a new word. My first word is stop. I'm going to change p to k, and our word becomes stock. We're keeping the beginning part and just changing the end. Okay? We can do this. Make sure you're thinking about it. Everybody say stop. Change p to k. Our word becomes stock. Everybody say deep. Change p to l, and our word becomes deal. Everybody say moat. Change t to st, and our word becomes most. Everybody say read. Change d to ch, and our word becomes reach. Everybody say green. Change n to t, and our word becomes greet. Everybody say mug. Change g to ch, and our word becomes much. Everybody say stage. Change j to n. And our word becomes stain. Everybody say snap. Change p to k. And our word becomes snack. Everybody say street. Change t to m. And our word becomes stream. Last one, everybody say third. Change d to st. And our word becomes thirst. If you participated and you tried your very best with substituting the final sound, I want you to give yourself a kiss on your brain and pat yourself on the back. Okay? All right, now we're going to do our letter naming. Give me just one moment to grab it. Okay. So we are going to practice our vowels and our advanced vowels. Excuse me. Okay, so you heard me when we're doing phonics, from the beginning of Heggerty, you heard a lot of oi. Okay, so I have not officially taught you what that looks like, what letters say oi. So listen to this. These goofy guys love to clown around and make silly sounds as they bounce up and down. Look. Do you see the drawing? They look like they're jumping around. They're bouncing up and down. They do this all around the house, and they go, oi, 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 and that's the sound they make. So some of the words that we'll hear, the oi sound is boy, voice, toy, moist. So some of them have the oi at the end, and some of them are just oi, and that's okay. So oi says oi, and so does oy. What two letters say oi? Or what two combinations? O-I and O-Y. And what do they say? Oi. Everybody say oi. Good. Alright, so now let's go over our vowels. We're going to say letter is, sound is. Ready? Letter is U. Sound is. Letter is. Sound is. You know what? I did mess up. I bet y'all all are saying I messed up. Let's try again. Ready? Letter is, sound is, but it can also say letter is, sound is, but it can also say letter is, letter is, sound is, but it can also say letter is, sound is, but it can also say letter is, sound is, but it can also say. Alright, good. Now we have a few more cards. Ready? Letters are, sound is. Ready? Next one. Letters are, sound is. Letters are, sound is. Letters are, sound is. Last two. Letters are, sound is. Letters are, sound is. Good job, friends. Everybody say hoorah! Thank you, friends. Y'all be very good. Make good choices.